This is the emergency stop switch, automatic run switch. This is the stop switch. Press and hold to start the machine, release to stop the machine. Compressed air gauge. This is the operation screen. Speed. Production yield. It shows the rejected number. This is qualified quantity. The current encoder position of the main machine. This is the bottle feeding switch. This is the manual switch. Safety door alarm switch. Output reset button. Bottle conveyor belt switch. Air pressure detection switch. Box press switch. Tap to enter debug mode.